man go say you want me done. And me and such man, them a floss pan the CNN. Me nah do it, me can't do.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Dancehall Artist Squash just released a song titled Times Like These, and it's a collaboration between him and his little brother Bobby Six. But my question is this song an explanation as to why Ford Lad and Muscleman them drop out? Also, is this song an explanation as to why Jman dey behind bars and a public defendant after represent him in court? Also, we see one Biggs done. The people them are beat him wicked. And I think me see him make a post where somebody tag him in and say, yo, the fight where this youth a get, the hate where this youth a get, it is unreal. It is like nothing anybody has ever seen before. But one Biggs done. Me have something to say to you right now. And me I go ask you, please listen to this video, watch this video, and I hope say yo, it reach you and you hear what me have to say. Also, the last upload when me do, me speak of Tamale putting out a video that was done by Shabba Ranks, speaking of the bigger or the older as them in the industry of the young youths, and it looks to me like me definitely did get it wrong. Even though it can be a case where Tamale a try to shade Bounty Killer by posting the video, it looks like say Shabba Ranks was the real one we are trying to shade Bounty Killer, because I never know say that video was so recent. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far, so click the like button. We'll get straight into it. So since the double murder incident and the arrest of Squash friend and producer Jman, Squash has been very silent. Him forward out and him make a one talk, but outside of that, I just really the music him I use for do the talking. And we all know him see what go on, him see what the people them say, him hear what the people them say, and him forward and him just drop a song. Him and his little brother Bobby Six titled Times Like These. And just by the title, it remind me of this song where Popcorn did release a few years ago titled Friends Like These. And me I tell you, the timing of this song and Popcorn song Friends Like These was perfect in regards to all of the happenings where go on around the two artists them during the time, and we see what go on with Squash now. So we are going to jump in at the track and check out some of the things and when you have to say, to me, some of them telling. So check it out.
Times like this, boy, switch, girl, switch. Don't real, so I straight demolish. Fully paranoid, me no leave the college.
One thing you can always expect from Squash, him a go make you know say yo, him fully paranoid and him not go ever drop him guard. But if you notice what him say, in times like these, boy switch and girl switch. Yeah man, when you're at your lowest, when you need somebody the most, especially when you're back against the wall and it's like it's a life and death situation for you and another person, come on, where you think somebody are gonna put you over for them life? That's one of the hardest thing to do. And everybody is a Sean Storm, two vibes cartel in this world. So Squash and make a know say, you see in times like these, man switch and woman switch. So nobody feel like say because I say yeah, my friend or your loyal, me I go have to say, yeah man, yeah go hold them out, you're not gonna say nothing. But we have to go listen some more at the track because this part is not as telling as what to come.
In me no need for panic. I chop a line, cause we need the cabbage. Me see people a don't put faith in a way.
So Bobby Six I make you know say I chop the line. Cause guess what? Him need the cabbage. And him see people a doubt and I say, yo, watch I know. Them youth, they not gonna make it, you know, them not gonna make no money, them not gonna this, them not gonna that. But guess what? Them have faith. So all when we doubt them or you doubt them have no doubt. Say yeah, them will get the bag there. And at that them a do wanna chop them a chop a line if you do it.
And we friend where we grow with start link is squaddy. Them a thing I make, we not trust nobody.
So right after that, Bobby Six forward again. And I make uno know say yo, you see some friends where we grow with and them same one start par with the squaddy them, you know. So you see because of that, we not trust nobody. But one of the questions I have to ask is, Why you gonna have a problem if your friend a par with the squad? If you know say you watch and you're not criminal and you're innocent, me not feel like you're supposed to have a problem with your friend a par with the squad. You yourself, if you have a one squad friend, cause you know so watch you dip on the straight and narrow. But the big question is, who them attack right now? See a par with the squad. We don't know Jman the behind bar, so him have no choice. Him there with the squad them there. Him there with the water them there. Them are go always constantly a question him a try to get more and more information all time. So me I wonder, and Jman them attack or them a speak other people. Cause remember you know the feds them say when the incident happen, people reach out to them and make them know say yo, you see this double murder a Jamaica it a forward from, and a them people and them people are involved. So who squash them really attack?
Play hypocrite, who no change, who no switch. Couple name panelist, what is spray with the chip. Mind corrupt part, fuck up just being in a
The man now playing no hypocrite. Him have couple name on the list. Again, me I tell you, them thing are questionable. You know, me remember, you know, in the early part, in the intro, me ask gonna say if this song is an explanation as to why all our we are going. And member squash just tell us, yo, him not play hypocrite. So you there and go and like say you're loyal to him and you're him friend. But you try if you sink him, guess what? Your name the panelist. So where you tell me say, Ford lad them name the panelist. That are just what me I try to understand and I look through all of what them I say. We don't know music is art and them I use music to imitate life and all of them things. So this can might as well be not have nothing at all to do with them. Them just a sing about what gone. But based on what surround them, these are questionable.
Oh, me fi trust a nigga where you link with the enemy. I want my friend. And oh, me fi trust a dirty bitch.
You notice how certain words seems to be so repetitive, even though he might say it a different way or even use a different word. He basically has said the same thing over and over and over in the song. Oh, him fi trust a friend or oh, him fi trust you when you are par with the enemy. Oh, on earth, him fi trust you, and not only that, oh, you want him strength. You can't want my strength and know say your man them man are enemy. We don't have no link, no connection, none at all. And yeah, par with them and then I forward over here. So I want my strength again. May I tell you, this sound like he must speak about all of the situation we are going around him. As me say, Jman they are jail and a public defender. After defend Jman, people are wonder how and why the artist not decide. So what you know, but we pay for a good lawyer for the youth because what a full link, a one link. But him decide say, yo, what you know? You depend your own and if you forward and I sing them song ya. Yo, this really so on a way.
Nah, go say you want me done. And me and such man, them a floss pan the CNN. Me nah do it, me can't do it.
More and more questions than answers. Oh, me fi say yeah, me done. And me and such man a par pan the same ends. You notice him never say some man, you know. Him say such man. And when him fi go as far as saying such man, you can see say him a speak directly towards or about somebody close, somebody specific. Him not just mean say what you know, you are par with the enemy. No. Such man, you are par with them man. Yo, as I say, the song ya, it look like say yo, it is saying a lot. But we not go no further in that song ya. More unu tell me down below in the comment section. Want to feel like him really a speak about or if this song is just a song with him imitating art, imitating life. Over to you now, one big son. We see a little thing go on with Chops and Marksman, and you don't know once Marksman involved, your name I go get involved because I the whole out no par. And me see you make a post where somebody look like it's a female tag you in it and I say yo the fight and the hate where you get it's real and it's like it's unbelievable. But Bigs Dan, you're young and obviously you're not used to certain things. Obviously you're not expect certain things. Brother, and music. First thing first, Jamaica, dog eat dog. Worse when in a arena like the music industry. Go check out the fix. Check out the interview where Mali Dan do with the fix. The most recent interview where him do. He make them know exactly how the system stay, brother. The system corrupt my youth. And everybody want the entire cake for themselves. You see me? At Jamaica, this no. Alright. What you need for meds, you see how quick you will get a bus? One little freestyle pan TikTok go viral and you get a bus. That is how fast Jamaica will drop you. And Jamaica this. You understand? You're young, so you're forward and I expect certain things. But you have to take criticism. You see me? You have to know say yo, the people them all love you today and hate you tomorrow. But don't watch the hate where you get. So here my big Zan, this is my advice to you. Just do your music. Focus on your music. You see the friends them, the few friends them we have around you now, keep them close to you. Don't recruit no new friend. Don't invite no new friend. Cause when me say, seem like how them take you up and bust you, then we drop you. Ignore the negativity. Ignore the first thing first, brother. Ignore comments. You see me? Cause you will have a good day and you're gonna read some comment and it mess you up, my youth. And every look for the good comment them. Respond to the good comment them. Feed off of the good comment them. Even if you see a one and a two negative comment, brother, just support them. If a man see you big and fat and ugly, support them and say, enough respect my boss. Say, yes, me big and me fat and me dunks and me ugly. And so you have to do it. You can't make them drain the energy cause yo, it dead. No matter how good you do, no matter what you do, all if 1 million people love it, you are going to have at least one we don't like it and at least one we are going to deal with it in the wickedest way. If you think a lie, me I tell. As soon as you see this video, check the comment section. Me know if you are fuck, you are going to have some people that said this, I said that. All that disrespect you for no reason at all. Probably them just having a bad day, them don't have a life, and them just disrespect you for no reason at all. But then I notice what me do? Me ignore the negative comment them. Feed off of the good comment. Even if me a respond to a negative comment, I support them. Yeah, waste man. Yeah man, me a waste man. Me accept that and me move on. So that's how I want you to be. You're a good artist. The world know that. But you make the people them a get to you and you're young. Brother, you not see nothing yet. So you can't make them get to you yet. Go on do your thing. So quick and fast. We see Tommy Lee post a video the other day with Shabba Ranks speaking of the older as them in a dancehall where fight the younger youth them, especially with them dunks culture and this and that. And them say, yo, load the youth them make them do them thing. But based on my interpretation, I was saying that Tommy Lee was the one where I tried to shade Bounty Killer, which yes, that did a go on. But based on how recent the video was, Shabba Ranks is the real one where I deal with Bounty Killer way. When me see the video, me think I did one long time video. You understand what me I say? But little did I know that that video was done just a few days ago. I think when Shabba Ranks done perform on the cruise ship, the same cruise ship where I think Bounty Killer did perform on, that's when him do the interview and say all of that. And that interview comes just about a day or two after Bounty Killer lash out on the dunks culture. So really and truly, if we sum up everything, Shabba Ranks was the real one. We are trying to go at Bounty Killer by saying that and not Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee was just merely the messenger. That's why them always say, yo, don't shoot the messenger. Person just bring the message. But if you feel otherwise, you can tell me down below in the comment section. And me definitely I go I go put the video with Shabba Ranks stating what he must say right now before this upload finish. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and definitely share. The first me I tell you to share the channel, so go ahead and share the channel. Bless up.
Me hear some big man in our music now. Where every turn them beat against the little youth them. And them fight against the little youth them. And them want to tell the little youth them what them must say. And them want to tell the youth them what them to do. I want to make them know, you know. So when me did that do music, I said, we're going to go and I do and control my mind state, you know. And look what I becomes in the face of the world. Because of my music. So I'm saying that to say this. No know the distant that are youth melodies are the words that he say on records is going to reach. So you can't go and I couldn't want to kill the youth them talent. Give the youth them a chance to the music. The youth them not have to do the music like, oh, we do the music. I feed them music. Come out of the youth them arena and leave the youth them make them do their music. You see me I deal with? When me did I do my music,